guess who's back with my bun and a double chin. I hope that you all, just as you can see, had a lovely and fruitful end of the year, and I wish you all a fruitful 2025. Right away with an update and a major thanks again, because we have raised over half of the end goal of 2,000 euros for me to be able to go on mission to Guinea-Bissau as a midwife, which is amazing. And with the funds I've already received, I have booked my tickets. I'm trying not to yell to spare you your ears, but I have already booked my tickets and I will be leaving on the 10th of May, which means that I can officially start a countdown as well, and I love countdowns. Which means that today, being the 10th of January, there are only 4 months left for me to go. That's insane. That's crazy. And that's very soon. But we're not there yet. Yes, you can still donate. The link is still in the bio. And yes, continue to stick with me because I still would like to share a lot more. I have more updates as well. And I would love to do some throwbacks about the last time I did voluntary work in Africa, which was in Malawi. Right there, Malawi. So stick with me. See you soon and